Hey, Marcus. I keep hearing about no-code AI agents, and it sounds kind of futuristic. What is that exactly? Is it something regular folks can actually build?
Oh, absolutely, Emma. It's really exciting. Think of AI agents as specialized programs that can perform tasks autonomously. The no-code part means you're building them visually with tools like N8n. No complex code needed, it's super accessible.
Wow. So, I could set up an agent to, I don't know, research topics for me automatically? That's wild. Are there specific things it needs to, learn to do that effectively?
That's a fantastic question, Emma. Now that we have a foundational understanding of these no-code AI agents, let's dive into the exciting part. You might be wondering, how do I do that? Well, it's simpler than you might think.
Commands? I just tell it what to do? So, to set up an agent to research, how do I actually tell it what to look for? What are these prompts you mentioned?
Exactly. To tell your agent what to do, you have to enter prompts. Prompts are essentially little questions or statements you give the AI to help guide its language generation and task execution. Think of them as breadcrumbs that lead the agent down the path of creating the content or completing the task you want.
Ah, breadcrumbs. That's a great analogy. So, where do I actually put these prompts? Is there a special box or a command line I need to type into?
It's very user-friendly. You typically enter the prompt in a designated input field, often labeled something straightforward like "send a message" or "enter your query here." That's where you'd articulate your research request for your agent. Want more tips like these? Like, share, and subscribe. So, Emma, now that we've covered where to input your commands, the next crucial step is understanding how to construct those commands effectively. It's not merely typing words, it's about strategically communicating your intent to the AI agent.
Strategically communicating? So there's a technique, not just a simple request. I figured I'd just tell it what I wanted and it would, do it.
That's a common misconception, but it highlights the essence of prompt engineering. You're essentially learning to speak the AI's language by providing prompts that are unambiguous and directly guide its process. It's about optimizing your input for optimal output.
Prompt engineering? That sounds like a new skill. So it's about making sure the AI truly gets what I'm asking for, especially if I'm looking for very specific research?
Precisely. Your agent is incredibly capable, but it relies entirely on your instructions. The better you craft your prompts, the more accurately and efficiently it can fulfill your request. It's laying the groundwork for truly intelligent automation.
Okay, I understand where to put these prompts, Marcus, but what makes a prompt truly effective? How do I ensure my agent doesn't just give me generic information, but really hones in on what I'm looking for?
That's the pivotal question, Emma. It brings us directly to the core principle of prompt engineering, specificity. So how can you use prompts effectively? Well, the key is to be specific. The more specific your prompts are, the better ChatGPT will be able to understand what you're looking for.
Specificity. Got it. So if I want my research agent to find something, can you give me an example of a vague prompt versus a really specific one for that task?
Absolutely. A vague prompt might be research climate change. That's far too broad. A specific prompt would be find 3 actionable strategies for local community adaptation to rising sea levels in coastal Florida, focusing on initiatives implemented between 2010 and 2020. Notice the difference?
Wow, that's incredibly clear. It provides so much more context and direction. So it's about giving the agent enough detail to narrow down its search and deliver precise, relevant results.
Exactly. Think of yourself as the director and the AI agent as a highly capable but literal actor. The clearer your instructions, the better the performance.